all about focus and attention, undivided attention on the child. That used to be the norm maybe few decades ago, but it is becoming a challenge today. Why? Because we are inundated with data, information, messages. The work-life balance is a challenge. The lines between work and leisure are blurred. कब काम खत्म होता है, कब आराम करना है, दोनों के बीच में अब बहुत ओवरलैपिंग हो गया है. शाम को आने के बाद भी आप काम कर रहे हैं कुछ ना कुछ विद द स्क्रीन ऑन द फोन, या ऑफिस में कौन लेजर कौन एंटरटेनमेंट कर रहा है पता नहीं. So it's becoming a challenge to draw the lines. But for parenting, it is very important. At least the two most important members in the team are well connected. Mummy and Papa. आप दोनों के बीच का coordination, synchronization, unity, unanimity, cohesiveness, consultancy should be very, very strong. Otherwise, what they are talking about these days is helicopter mom. हेलीकॉप्टर मॉम्स किनको बोलते हैं? कुछ चाइनीज में कुछ कुंफू मॉम्स, पता नहीं क्या क्या नाम आ रहे हैं. हेलीकॉप्टर मॉम्स उन्हें कहते हैं. दे आर कंट्रोलिंग द चाइल्ड ओवर मच. दे आर हवरिंग अराउंड द चाइल्ड ऑल द टाइम. क्या कर रहे हो, क्यों, क्या, दिस व्हाट, क्या खा रहे हो. सच मॉम्स आर कॉल्ड हेलीकॉप्टर मॉम्स. एंड देन अ शार्प कॉन्ट्रास्ट इज पैम्परिंग पैंडा पापास. पैम्परिंग पैंडा पापास वो क्या होते हैं? उन्हें अपना टीवी पे अपना मैच देखना है एंड देयर फिंगर्स आर इन द चिप्स, द बोल ऑफ चिप्स. एंड वो बेटा डिस्टर्ब मत कर, बेटा कुछ बोल रहा है, बताना चाह रहा है बेटी. सो दे विल पैम्पर. क्या चाहिए पापा, मुझे ये चाहिए, ये ले ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर, फोन ये ले बेटा. सो इज पैम्परिंग इज गोइंग टू बी अ पैंडा. पैम्परिंग पैंडा पापा. मॉम कहती क्या कर रहे हो, बच्चे को बिगाड़ रहे हो. पापा कहता क्यों इतना डिसिप्लिन, आगे जाके तो उसको स्ट्रेस होना ही. So my request to you, dear parents, is that you are spending time with the kids, but then you also have to be on the same page with each other. If there is a conflict in your belief system, because you were brought up differently, mama and papa brought up differently, you have your own individual thoughts on parenting, then please have a discussion, have a debate privately, not in front of the child. This is my one request, okay? So I've come to my first point. अगर आप कहीं अग्री नहीं करते कि मैगी खानी है, क्या बनाना है, घर में खाना चाहिए, बाहर सुबह उठना चाहिए या शाम दौड़ना चाहिए, हैव अ डिबेट प्राइवेटली समवेयर, देन रीच अ कंक्लूजन, एंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द चाइल्ड यू शुड बी अ यूनाइटेड टीम. Know that you're not alone. We rise and we fall. I see who you are underneath it all. So when the brain is getting formed, when the value systems are being instilled, please be very, very careful what your child is learning. And that's where I will bring in the point of reward system. What is your reward system, dear parents? चलो ये कर लो, मैं आपको ये दूंगा. चलो ये कर लो, आपको ये मिलेगा. What is that reward system you are developing or you have developed in your home? Think about it. Is it all about physical gifts? चॉकलेट मिलेगी, ये गिफ्ट मिलेगा, वो आपने वो कहा था वो मिलेगा, नया टॉय, शूज. इज इट ऑलवेज द थिंग्स और इज इट मनी ऑल्सो? 50 रुपए मिलेंगे आपके पिगी बैंक में डाल देना. व्हाट आर वी एडिंग वैल्यू टू? द चाइल्ड इज लर्निंग, द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड इज लर्निंग व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इन लाइफ. फिर जब बड़ा होकर एक बच्चा मटेरियलिस्टिक बनता है जिसके लिए नौकरी, पैसा, यही सब कुछ है, तो हम किसको ब्लेम करें? ब्लेम तो हमें करना होगा कि we were adding value to these things as reward mechanism. So what is the reward circuit we are creating in the mind subconsciously? Dear parents, remember, certain parts of the brain will be forming until the child is in his early 20s. Okay? ये जो frontal cortex है वो 20s में develop होता है, which is responsible for analytical thinking and controlling of risk behavior. That's why the teenagers are seen to be taking risky behavior. It's not just because of the hormones. It is because they are not able to differentiate between what is risk, what is safe. That develops later. तो जब तक वो डेवलप होता है और बच्चा बड़ा बनता है, तब तक हम कैसे डील करेंगे? What is the reward mechanism? Can we not think of rewarding the child with something? Okay, ये कर लोगे, I will play with you. हम बाहर साथ मिलके खेलेंगे. We'll take you out for this. We'll do a drawing, painting together. I promise you, summer we will travel and go there. ये picnic. Can we not add more value to rewards such as respect, love? You'll get 3 hugs. You'll get this. Do not let the child grow up with the feeling of entitlement. मेरे पास 100 हैं, 100 और होने चाहिए. इतनी सारी कार्ड्स, इतने सारे. We are actually subconsciously telling the child, you need a lot to be happy. You need many things to be happy. You need a full wardrobe to be happy. 50 सूट होने चाहिए, 20 तरह के जूते, तब तुम खुश होगी. This is what we are unconsciously telling the child. Please let us not tell all that. You can be happy with very little also. So I would like to leave you with these 2 lovely pieces of advice which are scientifically proven, which have been established by researchers and child psychologists, and you can search online later on when you feel like. I'm so happy you have won the challenge. I don't see even a single person picking up the phone.
Are you looking up? Are you looking up like I do? I could be right beside.
Family hug is warm and good. School brightness is a special and
For all this time, it's getting kinda clear.
they are also second to me.
If I learn to pray right.
दादी दादा करते हैं प्यार, मैं हूँ उनकी नन्ही सरकार.
Know that you're not alone. We rise and we fall. I see who you
मेरी मम्मी कितनी अच्छी मीठे गीत सुनाती है, मेरे पापा कितने अच्छे मीठे पल लाते हैं.
don't have to look so far. In the shadows of love, been here all alone, and just for each other. We are.
Clap your hands and give a cheer. We have so much learned here.